Hauzik Manipur thokliba irang asida Meitei lankhide haina chahi nauribi malem gi maming leirabi climate activist Licypriya Kangujam na Dubai da pangthokpa United Nations ki Conference of Parties ki COP28 suba session COP28 da phongdokluraba matung foreign journalist amana Meitei singda Maral kya siduna wahang hanglakpadagi kuki gi wari pumnamak subchilaga liramle haina Licypriya na social media da thadorakpa post amada phongdorakli post aduda mahakna hai irang asi haubadagi kuki kulai paiba singna micham miyamda lepa leitana ka henba thawong kya chathaduna lakli Maral leizadaba kunja kya otnaiba amasung hatpada natana yum kya mai thadoki masigi sumathakta kuki kulai paiba singna Meitei nupi kya ref tawkhibane irang asida Meitei furup ki miyoi kya mafam khangdana mang khibadagi ngasi fauba thiba khangdana leiribani haiki Paokhum adu tabada journalist aduna mahakpu thagat lamlaga makha taba wahang hangbang ngamdana hanki haina su Licypriya gi post asina makatari.
For the narco-terrorists who are, planting illegal poppy drug plants, which is creating a massive deforestation and leading to droughts and landslides in Manipur. And it's not only drugs is affecting humans' health, but not only that, but those cookie narco-terrorists are also killing the people of Manipur. And not only that, many women were also raped by them and many children were also killed by them. Not only that, but people are still missing. Children are still missing. There are so many body parts were cut by those people, and it was really sad. I was even crying. You can check, that how the situation is really worse in my community, in my state Manipur, which is the northeastern state of India bordering Myanmar.